the lawyers are very stiff. They really, sa tingin ko they stick to the law and procedure. Samantalang itong kabila, they appeal sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Even yung, kaya nga 'di ba kahit yung manifestation, binabaril nung kabila na hindi naman yan storya yan hindi hindi yan ebidensya. Anong thoughts mo doon? Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, kasi they don't need to. They don't need to appeal to the broader masses eh.
Oh, okay.
Kasi ang kliyente nila ang pinaka-importante dito eh.
Alright.
Si Vice President Duterte. Tandaan mo, Prof. Ricky, yung professional fee nila hindi naman binabayaran ng taxpayers yun eh.
Sa bagay.
At least not directly.
Right,
You know,
right.
ang nagbabayad ng PF nila, yung kliyente nila.
Right,
So
right.
they have to satisfy the client, no? And the only way that they can do that is, to stick to the technicalities. No?
Yeah.
And I think one reason din, Prof. Ricky, if you may allow me, is meron kasi silang alas yung defense. Meron silang alas. And that is yung voting threshold for conviction na 11.
Right.
Because it is fixed, at least for the meantime, it is fixed at 16. We all know na hindi maaabot yun eh. Right?
Yeah.
The reality is, yung 16 na yon is unattainable for the moment. No? So, they don't need to panic. They don't need to go through extraordinary measures. Like, arguably, yun ang ginagawa ng prosecution. Kasi, at the end of the day, at the end of the trial, hindi pa rin maaabot yung 16.
Butuhan pa rin at the end. Oo.
At hindi maaabot yung 16.
At hindi maabot.
Ang hirap abutin ng kasi they have 9. They have 9 senators na lagi na lang sinasabi suportado nila si Vice President Duterte.
At,
So that's probably one of the reasons why na
kampante.
stiff sila or chill lang sila, very rigid yung approach nila because meron silang alas eh.
Tama.
And yung alas nila is conviction is almost unattainable
Oo.
because of the voting threshold of 16.
Ayun. So, ayun.